Hello, Namaste. Welcome to another new video of WinTrader. Right now, I'm going to give you a live demonstration of our new running version 8.1 and Scanner 1.2. As you know that our software support all major financial markets like MCX, NSE Cash, future options, currencies, Agri, COMEX, and Forex. And our softwares supporting scalping trading, intraday trading, and short-term and long-term trading. As per that, you can change the time frame. You can see 1 minute. If you are a scalping trader, then you can change the time frame to 1 minute. And if you are intraday trader, you can follow 5 minute or 15 minute time frame. So we are preferring 5 minute. If you are first time now, we are preferring 5 minute. And if you are a short time trader, short time positioning, then you can follow 1 hour or 4 hour chart. And if it is a long time positioning trading, then you can follow daily chart. You can see the time frame here now, or above you can see the above dashboard. You can see the time frame. Just click there and it will change the time frame. And right now I open gold MCX gold chart. It's a mega chart, and you can see the live market rate is displayed here, 47,520, and currently the version is 8.1. and in that version this version you can see there is a green up arrow, that is a buy signal, and red down arrow is a sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. That means whenever software generates a buy or sell signal, the same time software gives us a alert message with the sound effect. Means if there is any new signal is active, software gives an alert message. There is a pop-up message will display in your screen with the sound effect. At the same time, it gives a you can on above dashboard also you can see the details. Actually we got a buy signal at 47,245, and the current profit and loss or profit ratio, profit points also you can check there. And we got a buy at around time is 10:55, and you can see the time date also 17th, today's date. And as per that signal, all target has been achieved. You can see the status also, the target has been achieved. So before taking the position, as I told, software gives automatic signals. So we don't need to enter in all the signals that is given by the software. First, you have to check the confirmation. Whether the signal is confirmed or not, you have to check the confirmation. For checking the confirmation, we have two confirmation indicators in our software. You can see we got a buy signal here. The first confirmation, if it is a buy signal, on bottom bar you have to check price in buy zone. That is the first and main confirmation. Price should be in buy zone. That is the first confirmation. And the second confirmation, on below the arrow you can see there is a bar now. That is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. Means if it is a buy signal, then the bar should be in green color. Only two parameters. You have to check only two parameters. If it is buy signal, then the price should be in buy zone and the bar should be in green color. Only two parameters you have to confirm. If these two parameters are confirmed, that means the signals that buy signal is confirmed, then you can enter with the market trade. So once you enter in the market, second you have to put the stop loss. You can see on bottom line you can see stop loss will display here, and it's a trailing stop loss. And on left side you can see the target also, target 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 targets. For example, if the market is 20 market, then for example if we enter in the trade and we exit with our target, after we exit from the market, if the market is 20 market, then the signal will continue after hitting our target. So that time software gives a re-entry option. Re-entry means the software gives a separate entry point and a separate target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level and you can exit with that target. Currently you can see there is no re-entry showing, because right now just now I opened this chart, that's why it's showing wait only. So if you want to re-entry, then if this chart is open in your software, then automatically software gives a re-entry option. Re-entry means it's in this place, you can see in that box now, software gives a separate entry point. There is entry point will display, and as per that entry point, software gives a target also. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level. And you can see in this version, this candlestick, normal candlestick, normal colors of the color bars are red and green. So apart from these two colors, you can see some other colors in display, like orange colors. You can see there's some orange colors are displaying, and the white candles are light blue, and MD candles are there. So these are the indication of sideway. Means the normal colors are red and green. So apart from these two colors, all other colors are indicating the sideway of the market. Sideway market. Sideway means there's 80% reversal chances there. So if the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the bar. So it's giving an indication that it's going sideways. And you can see there's a red stars are here, and on below you can see the blue stars. So red stars are the resistance level, and blues are the support level. If you put your cursor on that last resistance level, now you can see the last resistance level is there. It will display in that box. You can see the resistance level, and this is the support level. So resistance support level will display in the chart. Okay, now, and on below you can see this is scanners. I put the scanner in USD CAD. Actually, we have to set our scanner in any forex pair. That's why any forex pair I choose USD CAD for setting my scanner. And in this scanner, now whatever if you're trading in MCX, NSE, forex, now you can add any chart in this scanner. So as per that, a software gives scanner gives scan also all those symbols and gives the buy sell signal indication. So before taking the position, you have to always open the chart. You can directly open the chart from the scanner, and you have to check it whether the given signal is confirm or not. If it is confirmed, then only we can take the position. Checking confirmation already told na, very simple, and we will give a training session also. Means our normal process is if you are interested to purchase the software, after the payment our technical person will install the software in your system within 10 to 15 minutes, and after that we are giving a training session also. Training session means how to set the chart and all the symbols and how to use the software. We are giving a training section. After that, if there is any problem or if you want any technical support, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga and my number is 9061973737. You can directly call me, or have WhatsApp in this number also. Is our official WhatsApp. You can message me also. Otherwise, you can log into www.wintradersoft.com. You can, if you want a live demo, then you can directly contact me. Thank you.